the best chief minister is Parrikar and I'll support him. This was 3 days before the counting. Thereafter, on that NDTV, when that Srinivasan asked Parrikar that Goa Forward were calling you a dalal, you have taken their support. He said no. Parrikar said in the interview, which is seen all over the country and all over the world, I did not go to the Goa Forward. Goa Forward came to me. Vijay Sardesai came to me 3 days before the elections and pledged his total support to be the chief minister. Michael Lobo, on the day of elections, he said, we had 4 meetings with Goa Forward and we financed and supported Saligaon and Sioli before the elections. So there was a pre-poll alliance. They had already pledged their support to the BJP. Why blame poor me? Even now, I made an appeal to you all that before the election and after the election, that all like-minded parties and MLAs who wants to support Congress, they are welcome. The Congress Legislature Party has unanimously selected Mr. Babu Kaulekar as a leader of opposition. To his credit, he is the OBC leader. He had the highest number of terms as an elected representative after Rani and myself.
No, Digambar is there, no?
Digambar also is there. I thought that it was a unanimous decision that we should put some new faces.
Was he the first
So let us wait.
So,
Let us give him an opportunity to work hard.
was he the first choice?
It was unanimous choice, that much I can tell.